Hey guys, it's interesting. I'm starting 2 different vlogs on the same day. Interesting. But yes guys, I had decided that I'm not going to go and do any shopping today because I would rather put the things together. But it seems like I lied to myself because here I am parked outside IKEA because I needed to go shopping for food. I need to cook, right? So if I have to cook, I'm going out anyways, so might as well just go shopping. So I decided to bring you guys along because I'm still looking for furniture shopping. So the lady that had my stuff, if you see the other video, the lady that had my stuff, well, she didn't have my stuff, where my stuff was dropped off by FedEx, actually got me convinced that I actually shouldn't do a dining table. So I think I'm not going to do a dining table, but we'll see. But for now, let's go shopping. Let's go see what we can find in IKEA. So to get a trolley or not, like guys, America everywhere, hiring. See, this is why I like IKEA, because maybe we can get something as tiny as this. You see, like get this table. This is nice and tiny. It's not too big. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and we just get like 4 chairs. I think this could be a plan. I'll speak to Babe about it because I've decided against the dining table, so this could work. As you see, this is how you know that I'm not a IKEA shopper, because I got that big trolley from outside thinking, oh, I need to get a big trolley, only to come in and find these ones. These are smaller and I can still drag it around. But anyways, we are inside and I'm seeing a lot of things and I'm like, should I get this? Should I get that? But I don't need to get everything, but I feel like I'm going to end up buying everything. And I should not. Honestly, I should not. I'm just getting ideas here and we'll see how it goes. So this is what we need for our underwear, but the bigger one. I think, what do they say, look inside? They say look inside, but there's nothing inside. But this one, like, it's similar to the one that we had in Switzerland, but the one in Switzerland was a bit higher. Why do they keep on saying look inside? Yeah, I knew that they had these, but in the other one they don't have it. Because, yeah, the dividers actually work very nicely. Can't believe I bought lamps for such an expensive price, and look at these lamps here. Yo, I need these flowers. This could be our guest room. I like this for office. For office desk. I'm definitely taking these. I don't know if I should take like 2 or what, but I need them. Like, guys, I would literally just get an IKEA home, like just take everything as is, and that's my home. Because look at this, it's already set up for you. I need to do something with our walls as well. So I think this is like it is. And then it can be tiny and big.
Thank you for serving me today.
Or what I was suggesting is get a table for outside instead of having an indoor table, dining table, so we get something like this for outside. Works for me. Okay, so this is exactly how I wanted that library room that Babe says it's a library, like not library, office room to look like. I honestly just wanted it to be like this, you see. And I think we can still do it. I need to speak to Babe and find out if he's okay with it. This is basically it. Just have that whole room like this for me. It can work, you see. Still has desk. And
hey, look at these little hands here. Little hands there.
we're gonna make this happen, guys. Office setups here really don't look nice. It's like very officey and not cute. You know, I want cute. Okay, this one can work because it's got this extra thing here. Roll it in and out. Yes. Oh, foot stand as well. This can work for the office space because if baby's also at home, we can have an extra seat there and one person sits here and another one sits there. Works for me. Oh, look at these. I think I want these for like, oh, it's like your little house. This is so cute. I think I'll go in there. What's that kitchen stuff? Okay, let's go into this person's house. This is like a house, guys. Okay, this is a house tour. This can be our outdoor. I'm really thinking of getting this one. And it's not so expensive. Look at this. So I need to do measurements. But this could be our outdoor seating. Okay. I like this. I'm getting these for Babe's apron. Apron. Yo, English, guys. This could be an alternative outdoor. So that could also be an option because it's nice and tiny, like it's small, so it can fit in that tiny space that we have. All right, guys, so we're outside. But when I was still inside, I wanted to say IKEA is a trap. Well, I guess all shops are the same. Like, they still got things as you're about to... As you are about to go bathe. They still got things, but I got ice cream. I saw these kids having ice cream. I was like, I gotta have ice cream. I haven't had ice cream in like forever. So I got ice cream, as well as a hot dog. This hot dog, Babe introduced me to it when we were in Switzerland. So yeah, but anyways, guys, I didn't get much. I'll show you guys when I get home what I got. and I didn't get the dresser that I'm looking for specifically. They don't have it, so I need to keep on looking. So now, since I'm in Frisco, I know there's the other shops around here. I already see Ashley's Furnitures. I saw Rooms to Go, so I'm gonna go to those places and check out. Let's see what we can find there. But anyways, guys, back in the car, and it is 5:30. I am sleepy. My eyes are on fire. Anyways, let me finish my ice cream so we can drive. I've learned from my driving, from studying for my driver's test, I am never going to use my phone. I don't use my phone anymore when I'm driving. If you text me, I'm sorry, I'll respond later. I can answer a call because it's hands-free, but texting, nope. Oh yeah, in this car, the nice thing is I can actually respond to WhatsApp. I did it today, and I just said read message, answer, and I answered like I spoke what I wanted to say, and it confirmed and it sent, which was amazing. So yeah, but other than that, I am not using my phone and eating while I'm driving. So I'm a good girl now. So I'll see you guys later.